It is Fotasy Bonsai. Today I'm taking a look at this Fotasy Nikon F to Nikon Z adapter. It does not have any type of contacts, so this is really focused more on older Nikon F-mount lenses that have an aperture ring. First, let's start off with build quality. Nice machined metals on the top. It's a separate piece, but it's screwed in where you actually attach the F-mount lens, and then you've got the little spring-mounted locking mechanism. The mount on Nikon Z side is actually the same as the barrel material. It's one solid piece. Inside the barrel, there is some machining so that reflections are less of an issue. This specific adapter, like I said, has no contacts in there, so any type of G-type lens, you're not going to be able to control the aperture. So you want to use this with older Nikon F-mount lenses. In this case, I have an old kit lens. It's a 35-70, 3.3 to 4.5, and it has an aperture ring on the lens. First, you want to connect the lens to the adapter with Nikon F-mount. It is a little bit different than most other mounts. It goes the opposite directions. So look for the points on the lens and the red dot on the adapter. Align those and lock it in. First time I did that, it was a little bit tight, so you might have potential issue with that, but so far, after doing it a few times, it works well. The camera I have here is Nikon Z5. Any of the Z-mount cameras will work just fine. Take off the cover, of course, and then you're going to align the white dot on the adapter to the white dot on the camera. Lock it in, and you're good to go. That allows you to get the correct distance for the F-mount lenses with the Z-mount. There's something called a flange distance, and that's what this does. In this case, I do have the lens with the aperture control. If you look inside the lens, you can see that it is changing the aperture. One thing to take note of in the settings when adapting lenses is that you need to set the aperture of the lens if you want shake reduction. To go into the menu, go into the setup menu, non-CPU lens data, go inside there, and then set your focal length. In this case, I have a kit lens, so you're probably going to want to use multiple settings here to put it at like 35, 70, and then you can at least use shake reduction at those focal lengths. But in this case, let's just set it to 35 and then change the aperture. Now this specific lens is a 3.3 and it is in there, which is good. Set that. So that was a quick look at the Fotasy Nikon F to Z adapter without any type of contacts. Nice adapter, high quality, works well for what it does. It's Fotasy Bonsai. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.